guys, it's Daniel at KC Splash Pressure Washing. I'm here today at KCK doing some graffiti removal. Here's an overview of the job. We're doing the graffiti right here, so we just got some tags. So it's just pretty much all alongside this building. Kind of just stretches across. So I'm gonna be using some, what's it called, Taganator, and then we're just gonna be removing all these stains. So here's a video of my setup process. I am putting chemical in my pump-up sprayer and then putting on my PPE. So my face guard, respirator, goggles, and gloves. This chemical is super dangerous. It's called Taganator, but it works wonders. You'll see in this video where the chemical is pretty much just rinsing off the building, and then I'll go in with a light pressure and just rinse it all off. Hey, we're about wrapping it up, so I was going to show you guys a little after video. So this is all so there's no graffiti left on these corners. There was some right above the door. There's a nice big one right here, and then this wall got cleaned up, and there's a little bit of fainting of the paint, but 90% of it's gone. It's kind of the deal with the trade is you can't get most stains fully out like oil or paint, but you can get it mostly gone. And the guy just wanted most of the paint gone, so the city got off his butt. You know, they were gonna fine him for all the paint on the wall, so we got it all removed, so it looks better. Yeah, I appreciate you watching the video. Yeah, give me a follow on Instagram and Facebook, and check us out at KC Splash, and call me at 816-274-1516. Thank you.